Diolch am y enwebiad ac am y cyfle hwn I gyflwyno fy hun. We are all transplanted from somewhere, brought in by the breeze from sea to shore, settled on fallow ground, grateful for the sunlight, waiting for the rain. I joined Gwiest Cymru after hearing Patrick Jones read this poem at the Merthyr March. I'm from a family of 6 born in 5 continents. I've been transplanted here and I have been incredibly welcomed. I am an ideas person and have spent 30 years putting ideas into practice. For Yes Cymru, I initiated Yestival. We've had one Yestival and the next ones will be bigger. We're very happy with the big rise in membership, but there are tens of thousands of people in Wales who are not members, but care about our future and are trying to build it. Yestival is about showing them they can achieve their dreams only through independence. I never stop. I'm always thinking about how to do things better, and that's what I want to do for Yes Cymru. Diolch eto.